Hi, this is Saurabh, and it's my great pleasure to welcome you today for this quick demo of Deskera applications. We will be going through Deskera books, Deskera CRM, and Deskera people today, and you will see how we can use Deskera to get new customers, to make sure that we are invoicing them properly with the proper GST values and taxes, and filing the GST reports. You will see how we can use email marketing and provide world-class customer support to your customers. And we will see how we can make sure that employees are being paid on time and they are happy. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and jump into the demo. All right. So here, what you have behind me is the Deskera Books application with the dashboard, and you can see all the details here. So you have got the invoices and receivables and bills and your bank balances and your cash flow and profit and loss. And all of this is real-time data. So as in when you make transactions or any of your team members are making any transactions, this dashboard is getting updated. Let's see how we can quickly create GST compliant invoices using Deskera. Just FYI, Deskera is fully India GST compliant. It does all your calculation for GST in, GST out, IGST, CGST, SGST, etc. And we'll see quickly how it works. So I'm going to create a new invoice here, which is pretty simple. I just go to create a new invoice and I'll add a contact here. Okay, so I'm gonna sell it to ABB India and I'm going to sell them some products here. And you can see how easy it is to just add items here. So I'm just gonna add this, and you can see the HSN and SSE code are auto-populated, and based on that the GST calculation is done. And because this is applicable for IGST, so I'm seeing IGST being applied here as well. I can add a memo, I can attach files, other or I can just go ahead and save this. There's also interesting thing here that if you want to change these labels like product, description, quantity, etc., you want to use your own labels, or maybe your business does not have quantity, so you want to call it something else. It's simple. You just need to click on this gear icon here on top, and there you go. You have this configuration screen, and you can call it anything you want. So if you're in the services industry, you can change it to services. If you're selling just items, you can change it here, or you can choose others and type your own label. Let's do that real quick. Maybe I don't want to use products or services. I want to use items. I'm going to use this and save this. And there you see, this has been updated. So this is like completely in your control, very easy, customized for your business. You can change it according to what you sell or what you buy, and completely just overhaul this. All right. So now you can see, I mean, I did not have to do anything to calculate or add the GST here. It is all coming on the basis of the HSN and SSE codes that already exist in the system, right? You just need to add your contact, your address, and you're done. So let me save this invoice. Now, having saved this invoice, there are a few things. I mean, just creating the invoice is not good enough. You want to make sure that you send this invoice to your customer, and you want to send it in a professional looking design as well. So we have the option to design uh, this invoice, and let me show you how it works. So I clicked on design, and I have all these templates here. So you can see there are all these multiple templates, design templates. And the best part is I can change the theme color to meet my branding guidelines as well. I can change the logo and whatnot. I can save this template for future use as well, and I can quickly email this out to my customer who will receive a copy of this invoice design, and they will have the option to make the payment from there as well. If you want to follow up for invoice payment, because hey, there is no point in sending the invoice and not getting paid, right? So you want to follow up with invoice payments, and for that you can use invoice reminders here. Invoice reminders allow you to configure how many times do you want to send reminders before as well as after the invoice due date. So that's really helpful, because that is like one of the most time consuming tasks that you have to do to keep following up on unpaid invoices. You can automate it completely. Another way that Deskera helps you in automating your invoicing process is by allowing you the option to create recurring invoices. So you can go here and you can set an invoice as a recurring invoice. And the recurring document will allow you to I mean, you can generate yearly recurring invoices, monthly, weekly, or you can create your own custom format. So let's say that I want to send it every month. I can choose the first date on which I want to send it. Let's say I want to send it at the end of the month, so I choose 30th, and I can set it to never ends. That's the best kind of business. You keep invoicing and you keep getting paid. When what's there not to like? And you can even set it to auto send. So if you don't want to review it every single time, then you can just set it to auto send, and every time this invoice will get generated every month, and it will be sent to the customer who can then make their payments, and there is money in your bank. I mean, that's it. That's how simple it is. Now you can also manage your supply chain here. So you can create orders, you can create bills and purchase invoices, and you can make payment against them. You can email it. I mean, all you can print them out, and I mean, all of these functions are available for all the transactional documents that you want to create. Products is where you would keep a list of all your products and your inventory items. And here in one view, you can see how much inventory you have available in your system, and which ones are active, which ones are not. You can create a new product here. There are different kind of options here. So you can create products that you don't want to track the inventory for, which is absolutely fine. I mean, if you're selling digital products, or if you're selling services, then you would want to choose the non-tracked option. Otherwise, you can choose tracked if you want to track the inventory. And we also have bill of materials, which allow you to create the formula for your manufactured products, and then use that to build your finished good right out of the bat here. You can see a list of all your contacts in here as well. So you have the list of all the contacts along with how much they owe you and you owe them, whether they are a supplier or whether they are your customer, or if you are, or if they're both. I mean, so yeah, you have everything. Now, if you have warehouses, then you can use the warehouse option and the pick pack ship option to track the actual fulfillment of your inventory. So if you go to pick, pack, ship, for example, you can see all the items, whether you have sufficient quantity to fulfill these items or not. And if you see insufficient quantity, you immediately know, hey, I need to do something about this. I need to order this right away, and you can do that. Similarly, you can maintain your stock across multiple warehouses. You can have one single warehouse, or you can, add as many warehouses. So when you are receiving goods or when you're fulfilling orders, you can choose which warehouse you're going to record it, and you will get the report in the system that will give you updated details of stock availability by warehouse, which you can see here. Now the best part is you have all your financial statements, profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, everything is inside. I mean, it's there. You just need to click it, and you can access it on your mobile phone as well. Then you have the tax report. So you have your GSTR report, TDS report. Everything is in here. You just need to open it, export it out, or send it out, and or you can use the new GST APIs to automatically send this out for submission. Then you have got all your stock reports, you have your purchase reports, you have your sales reports. So complete thing is here. Now, one of the painful things that businesses have to deal with is reconciliation of all the various expenses and deposits. And the bank connection here allows you to do that quite easily. So if I want to connect or add a new bank account, let's do that. Okay. Let's say I want to add SBI here. All right. So I'm going to choose SBI, and I want to connect this now to SBI. So let me select. I'll just type state. Oops, wrong spelling. Just type state, and I can connect to State Bank of India. There are other Indian banks available as well. So if you use HDFC or any other banks, you can just type the name here. You can connect it. It will ask you for your credentials, and you just add your credentials. This will connect to your bank. It will fetch all your transactions, and you can do easy reconciliation. No more importing of bank statements and Excels and all of that. And it will even go ahead, and create transactions for you based on rules. if you so wish to. Then your accountant is going to be very happy because there are all the things that they need here. You can maintain your own chart of accounts. You can create journal entries. You can manage your opening balances, debit note, credit note, expenses, deposits, and financial year closing. The complete accounting package is here. You can also generate e-way bills here. So if you are delivering items, then this will be required. So you can easily add e-way bills here. You can choose the document type for which you want to create an e-way bill, and you can choose the mode of transportation, and based on this, it will generate the e-way bill for you. Then we have an ecosystem of apps. So when you're getting Deskera, you get an ecosystem of apps that you can use to integrate and make your life a lot easier. So if you're using WooCommerce or Shopify or even Amazon, right, then you can connect them using our App Store, and all your data will flow nicely between these applications. You can even integrate with Stripe and other payment gateways. You can automate your workflows by integrating with Integrately or Pabbly or Zapier. You can carry out stock adjustments. You can do asset management here via the fixed assets module. So a lot of options, and this list is just gonna keep growing. So you will see a lot more options being added here in the future as time goes by. But coming back to Deskera Books, you so that's a quick overview of Deskera Books here. And we have seen, you can do your GST reporting, you can create invoices, you can send invoices, you can design awesome invoices using Deskera Books. And I mean, it's just amazing, right? So having completed Deskera Books, let's jump into Deskera CRM, right? Because yeah, this is where you will acquire new customers and make sure that your existing customers are super happy. So, we are looking at the dashboard here, right? And you can get a quick view of your upcoming activities. If your sales team have any follow-ups to do, it's here. They can go ahead and do it. You can get an overview of how your sales pipeline is looking. You can see how many deals you have won or lost along with the values. You can see how many email campaigns you have run to attract more customers, and you can see how many support tickets have been coming through from your support channel. Deals gives you an overview of your entire sales pipeline. You can see which deal and which customers are at which stage. So and you can easily edit these around. So if I want to update this, I just need to drag and drop this. I mean, that's it. As simple as that. No effort needed. If I want to view the details for this deal, then I just need to click on it. I can see all the details here. I can even see and log emails here. And I can see notes. I can see. So let me open this. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, you have this here. Notes, activities, log. You can see the entire log here. And if you want to switch view, you can just switch here as well and see all the details. Then campaigns. Okay, before we go to campaigns, let's go to contacts first. All right, so contacts is where you can maintain all your contact lists. You can filter out your contact list using all of these parameters. You can create complex rule-based segments to filter out your contact list, and then you can run email campaigns on them. So running an email campaign is super easy. You just need to go to add campaign. You need to add your email address, and you're set. In order to make sure that you get the best results out of your campaigns, we have got some super cool templates here, and you can use these pre-designed templates to create awesome looking emails and send them out, broadcast them to your users, to your prospects, to your email lists, and drive that traffic to your website or to your product page and get them to sign up, get them to buy the stuff. Um, you can also insert forms, web forms in the system. If you have a web page with a contact us option, then you can create a form here using the fields that you have in CRM and insert them onto your website, and the data will come and flow into your CRM. So you do not have to maintain like multiple disparate systems. You can do all of this using Deskera. And the best part here is that you can integrate this with Microsoft. You can add your Google account to it, and you can create your guides, help guides here. So your help guides will allow you to create support pages in like 3 steps. You just need to drop your banner image, drop a logo, and drop your favicon, and that's it. Your help site is ready, and you can immediately start creating articles. Or you can configure your support email address here. So you can add your support email address, and any emails that come to your support email will automatically come and be logged in Deskera CRM, and your support team can action on them. They can reply to them, make sure that your customers are getting the help that they deserve. And that covers Deskera CRM for us now. There are many more things, but we will have more detailed demonstrations. And if you're really interested in using this or finding out, all you need to do is go to www.deskera.com and start your free trial today. Just sign up. I mean, it's as simple as that. You just need to enter your email, your company name, you're done. And you have a free trial. Try out this system, and yeah, let me know how it works out for you. Now let's jump to the final product of the day, which is Deskera People. So Deskera People allows you to run the payroll for your employees, and what you can do here is you can schedule payrolls. You can run payroll for your employees. You can see what is the outlay on your salary, expenses, etc., and also make sure that the employees are getting their pay slips, all their details are being managed in the system. You can have your complete employee list here. So for example, let's take a look at this employee here. I have all the details, like what is their designation, date of joining, contact, payment method, etc. I can add more details like their components, so TA, DA, etc. I mean, I have all those options, and I can add my compliance details. What is the PAN number, provident fund applicable, whether I want to exempt them from tax calculation or not. So yeah, I mean, it's completely configurable, and you can see what is the outlay, per month based on this sample data here. And you have your employees. You also would want to maintain all your different components that you're paying out. So obviously you will have basic and TA and DA and HRA, and all of those components are there, but you can add your own components as well. So if you want to add any additional components, be they deduction components or earning components, it's here. You can add it, absolutely no problem. And you can also configure leaves in the system. So if you configure leaves, then leaves will allow you and your employees to apply for leaves, and you can approve leaves, and you can track the leave status for every employee and across your organization from one single application. Similarly, we have expenses module. Expenses module allow you and the employees to submit expenses. You can see how many expenses have been submitted. And let me just change this date range here real quick. All right. Yeah, I can submit a new expense here. I can just drag and drop the image of the receipt here, and it will autofill the claim with the OCR. Or I can just quickly enter all the details here. Let's say I want to file for a claim of 1,000 rupees. I put it here. I can choose the category. I can put in the description, and I can submit. And then you can see my claim is available here. Now, this is the personal view. If you are an administrator, then you can jump to the admin view, where you can see the actions that are pending for you, and you can either approve or reject your claims. So again, all of this, everything that we saw, leaves, expenses, all of this can be done from the mobile phone as well. And we will share with you a different video. But even better than that, you can go to App Store, or you can go to Google Play Store and download the app for yourself. Just type Deskera and you will get the apps. It will take you less than 2 minutes to download and set it up and start using it. So please do that and see the power of Deskera here. So that brings me back to Deskera and all the various applications. I would really love it if you go ahead, give it a try. As I said earlier, all you need to do is sign up on our website, www.deskera.com. Enter your email, your name, your company name. You're done. You have your free trial ready. Go ahead, use it out. Let me know. Alternatively, you can also go to App Store and Play Store, search for Deskera, and you have that. The links for this, if you're interested, just let us know. We'll send you the links to download the apps as well. And with that, we come to a close. Thank you so much for watching this. You're watching this on our official channel. So if you like the content or if you want updates for what we are doing in Deskera, there are many updates coming. Like we are integrating with Paytm, we are adding UPI support, and so on. Very India specific updates, and of course, with the e-invoicing coming up, you want to make sure that you have Deskera, because Deskera will help you with your e-invoicing as well. So please, please, please um, like and subscribe for updates about India specific changes that we are going to add here, and also make sure that you're following us on Facebook, Twitter, Insta, etc. I mean, we are there are updates every week, so please make sure you don't miss out on any. And with that, once again, thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can sign up for a free trial by going to www.deskera.com, and just click on sign up, enter your email, your name, you're done. So, thank you so much for watching, and you have a good day.